How to use boot dating app. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use boot dating app. In order to use boot dating app, first of all, you'll need to ensure that you have already downloaded the authentic and official boot dating app on your mobile device from Google Play Store or any other app store. Once you have done that, you will need to open the application on your device, and upon opening the application, you will get two different options, whether to continue with email or continue with Google. You may select any one of these options. If you select continue with Google, you will need to use your Google account in order to create an account on it. And if you choose continue with email, you will need to enter your email address and then follow the instructions and enter the required information. After that, you will be prompted to take a personality test based on your preference that helps you to match with compatible users. Once after completing the personality test, you can fill out additional information about your interests and preferences, and then you will be able to create an account on it. Once you create an account on it, you will be prompted to access the device location. Here you can tap on while using this app option, and then you can navigate to this match page where you will see potential matches based on your personality type and interest. You can like profiles by tapping on this heart icon or pass on them by clicking on the X button. In this application, you can adjust your matching preference by tapping on the filter icon at the top right. You can set preferences for age, distance, relationship type, and many more. Once you find someone you are interested in, you can send them a message and chat with your matches. Also, you can participate in interest-based communities within the application to connect with like-minded individuals, which helps you to allow discussion on shared interest. You need to regularly check your matches and engage with new users. So by following these steps, you can effectively navigate and use boot dating app. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.